Hello. Good day. Can you see me?
Yes,
Can you hear me?
yes,
Okay, great job. Can you say, yes, I can?
yes, I can.
Very good. Now, do I speak too fast or just okay?
It's okay.
Okay, great job. Now, let me introduce myself first. My name is Teacher Marife. How about you? What's your name?
Jessa,
Oh, what a nice name. Can you say, my name is Jessa?
my name is Jessa.
Okay, great. Hello, Jessa. How are you today?
Good.
Okay, very good. Nice to meet you, Jessa.
Nice to meet you too, teacher.
Okay, how are you today?
Good.
Okay, that's great. How old are you?
8.
Can you say, I am 8 years old?
I am 8 years old.
Very good. Now, Jessa, let's start with our lesson. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay, wait for a while. I will share my screen. Can you see the lesson material?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so now let's start with our lesson. Welcome to Pantados class, Jessa. Okay. Our lesson for today is all about animals. Can you repeat after me? Animals.
Animals.
One more time. Animals.
Animals.
Very good, Jessa. Okay, by the way, what animals did you see in the picture?
Giraffe.
Okay, what else?
Elephant.
Then, is there anything else?
Tiger.
Oh, very good, Jessa. So how many animals did you see in the picture?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, very good. Can you say there are 3 animals in the picture?
There are 3 animals in the picture.
Okay, great job, Jessa. Now, I have a question. What is your favorite? Okay, let me type it first. What is your favorite animal?
Cat.
Okay, can you say my favorite animal
My favorite animal
is a cat?
is a cat.
Okay, say it one more time. My favorite animal is a cat.
My favorite animal is a cat.
Okay, great job, Jessa. So we're the same. I also love cats. Next. So now we will start with learning vocabulary. Oh, what did you see in the picture?
Giraffe.
Okay, very good. So that is a giraffe. Can you spell giraffe?
G I R A F F E.
Very good. So one more time, can you say the word giraffe?
Giraffe.
Okay, how about the second?
Hippo.
Very good. So that is a hippo. Can you spell the word hippo?
H I P P O.
Very good. Okay, can you say it one more time? Hippo.
Hippo.
Okay, how about the next picture? What is that?
Frog.
Oh, it looks like a frog really, but that is a crocodile. Can you say it?
Crocodile.
Okay, so the crocodile is sleeping. Can you spell the word crocodile?
Crocodile.
Can you say it one more time? Crocodile.
Crocodile.
Great job, Cessa. You're a smart kid. Now next. Oh, what did you see in the picture, Cessa?
Animals.
Oh, how many animals are there?
3.
Can you say it? There are 3 animals.
There are 3 animals.
Okay, very good. So you are going to match words with the correct pictures. You are going to draw a line. Okay, now you match the pictures with its words. Can you do it, Jessa?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so you may start now. Take your time. I know you can do it. Okay, are you done, Jessa?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now let's try to check your answers. Okay, the first one. Oh, that is a crocodile, and your answer is correct. So what is that again, Jessa? What is the first picture?
Crocodile.
Okay, very good. How about the second picture? Let's check. Wow, that is also correct. Great job, Jessa. What is the second picture, Jessa?
Giraffe.
How about the third? That is a...
Hippo.
Oh, great job, Jessa. You got a perfect score. All of your answers are correct. And now let's keep moving. Do you have any questions, Jessa?
No, teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay, the next one is grammar. Okay, can you repeat after me? What color
What color
is it?
is it?
Okay, now let's try to see the picture. Oh, do you still remember what animal is that, Jessa?
Crocodile.
Okay, very good. So that is a crocodile. How many crocodile are there?
1.
There is only one crocodile. Now, what color is it?
Green.
Can you see another color?
Yellow.
Okay, so can you say it is
It is
green and yellow?
green and yellow.
Okay, very good. Now, once again, answer my question. What color is it?
It is green and yellow.
Okay, great job, Jessa. Now let's have another example sentence. Okay, this crocodile
This crocodile
is
is
green and yellow.
green and yellow.
Okay, very good, Jessa. Now let's learn some of the phrases or words used in the sentences. Now, if there is only one, you are going to use it is. What are you going to use, Jessa?
It is.
It is. If there is only one, you are going to use it is. How about this? Can you read this word? This.
This.
Okay, this. If there is only one, that spelling of the word this you are going to use. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So once again, can you read this phrase, Jessa?
It is.
Very good. How about this?
This.
Okay, this or this is.
This is.
Okay, so please remember that one because later we will use that in sentences. Is that clear, Jessa?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now let's proceed. Okay, can you repeat after me? What color
What color
are they?
are they?
Okay. Oh, can you still remember that animal, Jessa?
Yes, teacher.
So what's that?
Hippos.
Hippos, because there are two, so you are going to add S. So they are hippos. Now, what color are they?
Purple.
Okay, can you say they are purple?
They are purple.
Okay, another example sentence. These hippos
These hippos
are purple.
are purple.
Okay, great job, Jessa. Now let's learn words again. So, if there are two or more, you are going to use are they. Can you read it?
Are they?
Okay, or you can also say they are.
They are.
Or you can also use these.
These.
These hippos.
These hippos.
Okay, so this one, you are going to read this like a bee that buzz. Okay,
Yes, teacher.
can you read them one more time? This one.
Are they?
How about this one?
They are.
And the last one.
These hippos.
Then we will also put are. So these hippos are,
These hippos are
what color are the hippos, Jessa?
purple.
Okay, can you answer it in complete sentence? These hippos.
These hippos are purple.
Very good. Great job. Now, let's proceed to the next one. So, our activity is fill in the blanks. But before that, do you have any questions?
None, teacher.
Very good. A smart kid you are, Jessa. Okay, we are going to fill in the blanks. Okay, what color is blank? So you're going to fill in the missing word. What is the missing word?
It.
Okay, very good. Great job. So can you type it, Jessa? Or can you write it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Take your time. Okay, very good. So that is correct. So since we are using is, so it should be it. So your answer is correct. Very good. Wait for a while. So the answer is it. Can you read it one more time? What color is it?
What color is it?
Okay, can you read it one more?
What color is it?
Okay, great job. Now, can you remember what animal is this?
Hippo.
Very good. How many hippos?
1.
Only one. So, we are using is it because there is only one hippo. What? Now, what color is it?
Black.
It's black. Can you say it's black?
It's black.
Okay, very good. So, it's Lan and Nan talking with each other. So, now we will have a role play. So, I will be Lan. I will be reading Lan's line and you will be reading Nam's line. Is it okay? Did you get it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I'll start now. What color is it?
It's black.
Now let's switch role. I will be Nam and you will be Lan. Can you start it now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
What color is it?
it's black. Okay, great job. Nice, 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 nice. Very good, Jessa. Now, next. What animals did you see?
Crocodile.
Crocodile. How many crocodiles are there?
3.
So, can you say there are 3 crocodiles?
There are 3 crocodiles.
Okay, very good now. Answer the missing word. Can you type it? Okay, let's try to see your answer. Okay, so your answer is are they. So that is correct. Can you read it, Jessa?
What color are they?
Okay, what color are they? Now, answer the second sentence. What color are they, Jessa?
Blue.
Blue, very good. But can you say they are blue?
They are blue.
Okay, very good. So they are blue. Okay, let's do the role play. Is it okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I will be Anne and you will be Lily. What color are they?
They are blue.
Very good. So let's switch role. I will be Lily and you will be Anne. Can you start it now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
What color are they?
They are blue. Okay, great job, Jessa. Thank you so much. So now let's proceed now to the next. Do you have any questions?
None, teacher.
Very good. Okay, let's proceed to listening. Okay, this time, you are going to listen an audio. All you have to do is listen and write. So while listening, you will write your answers in the blank. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. For a while. Okay, I'll play the audio once or twice. So you listen carefully, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Listen and look. There is one example.
Come quickly, children. The train's waiting to take us to the zoo.
Great, Mrs. White. It's exciting going to the zoo.
Yes. And I love going by train.
Me too.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
Is the zoo called Jungle something?
That's right. It's Jungle Hill.
Jungle what?
Hill. That's Hill.
Okay.
2.
Are there hundreds of different animals at the zoo?
Not so many. It says in this book there are 89 different kinds of animals.
89.
Yes. And they all have to have food every day.
3.
Are there tigers?
Yes.
Can we give food to them?
No, we can't. But we can give food to the parrots.
Great. I love parrots. They're very funny.
Okay, are you done, Jessa?
No, teacher, not yet.
Okay, so I will play again the audio.
Listen and look. There is one example.
Come quickly, children. The train's waiting to take us to the zoo.
Great, Mrs. White. It's exciting going to the zoo.
Yes. And I love going by train.
Me too.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
Is the zoo called Jungle something?
That's right. It's Jungle Hill.
Jungle what?
Hill. That's Hill.
Okay.
2.
Are there hundreds of different animals at the zoo?
Not so many. It says in this book there are 89 different kinds of animals.
89.
Yes. And they all have to have food every day.
3.
Are there tigers?
Yes.
Can we give food to them?
No, we can't. But we can give food to the parrots.
Great. I love parrots. They're very funny.
Okay, so that's all. Okay, now let's check your answers. Okay, the number 1, your answer is, can you read it, Jessa?
Jungle Hill.
Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. Okay, so you got it right. Very good. Number 2, 89, correct. Good job. And the last one is also correct. Very good, Jessa. Yay! You got a perfect score. So you are really listening. Okay, thank you, Jessa. Now let's proceed to the next one. Okay, we have the reading. Do you know how to read, Jessa?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, very good. Okay, now look at the pictures. And then you are going to read the story. Write some words to complete the sentences about the story. You can use 1, 2, or 3 words. Is it clear, Jessa?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Now, before you are going to answer, please read first the story. Can you start it now?
Yes. Vicky lives with her parents and her two brothers, Sam and Paul, in the city. Last week, they had a holiday by the sea. Sam is 10, Vicky is 8, but Paul is only 5. They went to the cinema on Wednesday because it rained all day. They saw a film about sharks. The sharks had very big teeth. Paul didn't like watching them and he closed his eyes.
Okay, thank you, Jessa. So let's read again the following words. This one, wait for a while. This one, Wednesday.
Wednesday,
Okay, one more time.
Wednesday.
Okay, can you read the whole sentence, Jessa?
They went to the cinema on Wednesday because it rained all day.
Very good. Now, how about this one? Closed.
Closed.
Okay, so you are going to sound the d. Okay, closed.
Closed.
Okay, can you read the whole sentence, Jessa?
Paul didn't like watching them and he closed his eyes.
Okay, good job. Now, let's proceed to answering the sentences. Fill in the missing words. Okay, can you read first the number 1?
Eat blank all day on Wednesday and the family went to the cinema.
Okay, now can you type the word?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, do it now. Okay, your answer is rained. How about number 2? Can you read first the number 2 sentence?
Paul didn't enjoy seeing blank in the film.
Can you type your answer now? Okay, so your answer is shark's big teeth. Okay, number 1, can you read the whole sentence number 1?
It rained all day on Wednesday and the family went to the cinema.
So let's try to check your answer. Okay, very good. You got it right. How about number 2? Can you read the whole sentence?
Paul didn't enjoy seeing sharks' big teeth in the film.
Let's check. Okay, the shark's teeth. So you got it right. So you got a perfect score. Yay! Congratulations, Jessa. You are really a smart kid. Now let's proceed to speaking. Okay, are you now ready, Jessa?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now let's proceed. Okay, what's that? Can you see it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what's that?
Giraffe.
Okay, that is a giraffe. What animal is it again, Jessa?
Giraffe.
Very good. So can you say the animal is giraffe?
The animal is giraffe.
Very good. What color is it?
Yellow and brown.
Very good. Good job, Jessa. Do you like drawing animals?
No, teacher.
Oh, that's sad. But it's okay because as you grow old, you will learn how to draw because your teachers will guide you. Is it okay, Jessa?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, just listen always to your teachers. Okay, so which animals can you draw?
Mm, I don't know, teacher.
Okay, so that's okay. No need to worry. Okay? Okay, Jessa?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so what's your favorite wild animal?
Lion.
Oh, roar. So you like lion. Are you not afraid of lion?
Not at all.
Wow, you're really amazing, Jessa. You know what? I have a secret to tell you.
What is it?
Teacher Marife is very afraid of lions. So you are really amazing because you are not afraid of lions. That's great. Okay. So now, we don't have much time left, Jessa. So thank you so much. You know what? Teacher is very happy because you are a smart kid. Are you happy too?
Yes, teacher. I'm very happy.
Okay, so you're very happy. But before that, we will have a review first. If you really remember our lesson, is it okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so what was the title of our lesson, Jessa?
Animals.
Very good. So can you say the title of our lesson is animals?
The title of our lesson is Animals.
Okay, very good. How many animals did we learn?
3 animals.
Very good. So we learned, can you say we learned that there are
We
three animals?
learned that there are 3 animals.
Okay, very good. So can you still remember what are they?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can you name it one by one?
Giraffe, crocodile, and hippo.
Okay, very good, Jessa. Now, do you still have any questions?
None, teacher.
Okay, thank you so much, Jessa. About the 3 animals, which of them do you like?
Mm, I like giraffe
Oh, very good. So why do you like giraffe?
because of its color.
Very good. It's a great job. And do you like to know how to draw giraffe?
Yes, I'd like to.
Very good. So kindly ask your teacher to guide you how to draw giraffe. Okay, Jessa?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so we don't have enough much time. So thank you so much for today. Thank you for having a class with me. You're such a smart kid. Okay, so Teacher Marife is very happy, Jessa. Are you happy too?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so don't forget that what we have learned today. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you should study hard always and read more English books. Okay, are you going to do that, Jessa?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Jessa, right now thank you so much and that's all for today. Hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.